do tell me how do I look. And this is 100% mixed with synthetic, so this is how it looks. And yeah, so for those people who cannot afford to buy 100% human hair, you can still buy this one. It's 100% mixed with synthetic. It's beautiful. I love the texture. I love everything about this hair. And when I was doing it, I was like, wow. Hey beautiful people, this is your girl TASHNEEVMavee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back again with another video. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So girls, I did this beautiful baby hair. As you can see, this is how it looks. I was just trying this color if it will look good on me, but I think I do love the color and I fell in love with this color. So yeah, just tell me what you think, if this looks nice on me. And this is the makeup that I'm going with today. This is how I look. I'm going out with my friends for coffee, so I didn't know what to do, so I decided to do this makeup look. Yeah, and this is the hair that I'll be carrying today. And just tell me what you think about this makeup look and how do I look. Like I said, I'm going out with my friends to have some coffee. And yes, this hair is 100% synthetics mixed with 100% human hair, so it's both in one. So if you're not able to afford to buy a 100% human hair, you can still buy 100% synthetic and 100% human hair, mix both in same. But this hair, it's beautiful guys. I'm telling you, I really do love the hair. It's comfortable and it's like wow. When I was doing this hair, I was doing it, I was like wow, this is. So I bought 3 bundles plus one closure. So yeah, this is how it came out. I really do love the hair guys, and I think it's fabulous. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So right now, this girl has to bounce. I shall see you again on my next video. Ciao, love you guys.
Ciao, bye, see you next time. May God bless you all.